Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, in the last video we have solved question number 7 and 8 of exercise 2.1 and also I have given you one work. I told you to go through the first introduction video where I have explained properties of whole numbers. Students, in today's video we are going to work with exercise 2.2 and there all the questions which we will see will be solved using those properties of whole numbers. So properties of whole numbers must be very clear to you. Okay. So students, take out your textbooks, exercise 2.2. Okay, let us see question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Find the sum means you are going to add, but one more thing is given by suitable rearrangement, means the numbers which are given to you, first you have to arrange them, okay, rearrange them and then you have to add. Why it is asking to rearrange, students? Because we have studied properties of whole numbers and now the questions which you will solve, we are not going to simply add or subtract or multiply. You will use those properties and then you are going to add or multiply. Okay, students, before starting the exercise question, I'll give you my own example. I'll again explain you how to use those properties and then we will continue with the exercise questions. Let us see, students. Here I have taken one addition question. You can see 16 plus 12 plus 4. Okay, so you can simply add these numbers, but we have to show with the written work. Okay, then what you can do, you can add 16 and 12 and then its sum you can add with 4, or all the three numbers you can take together as the numbers are smaller here. So you can simply add now. But our point is to rearrange these numbers and then add. Means you just can't simply add them. First you have to rearrange. Then how to rearrange, students? Always remember, when you will get such question now, take the unit digits of the number given and add them. If you are getting, after adding, if you are getting the unit digit as 0, 00, 000, then those numbers you should add first. Let me explain. Here I'll add 6 and 2, I'll get 8. No. I'll take 6 and 4. How much I am getting? If I add 6 and 4, 6 plus 4, 10. If we take the digit which is ending with 0, then it is very easier to solve, students. Say 16 plus 4. What I have done? I have taken 4 in the place of 12 and this 12 I will write in the place of 4. What I have done, students? I have changed the order of the numbers given, isn't it? Which property here we have used? We have used here commutative property, isn't it? We have studied that in commutative property we can change the order of the numbers. Okay. Now in the next step I will form groups also, students. First I am taking 16 and 4, I will add them. So 16 plus 4 how much will get? Will get 20. Then 20 plus 12. Here when I formed the group, means I have used associativity property. That also you can mention that we have used associativity property. Okay, students, now 20 plus 12, you can add them simply. So 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. I got 32. Okay, simply also you can add 16 plus 12 plus 4 will be 32. But if in the question it is asking to rearrange and solve, that means you have to apply the properties and then only you are going to solve the answer. Understood, students? Okay. So this was one question related with addition. One more example I will give you with multiplication. Again look, 2 multiplied by 67 multiplied by 50. Here again you have to use properties and then you have to solve. Means I have to rearrange it first. Now how I shall rearrange? Again I will use that logic. First just multiply the units place and if you are getting 0, 00, 000, that numbers you are going to multiply first, students. Here 2 into 7, 14. It will take some time to multiply this, na? So leave it. 2 into 0, 2 zeros are 0, and also you can see like that, students. If I multiply 2 and 67, I have to work out, I have to calculate. But I know that on multiplying 2 and 50, we will get 100. It is easier to multiply. So what I will do, again by using commutative property, I will change the order of the numbers given. Okay, then by associativity property, I will form group. First I will take out the product for this. 2 into 50 is 100, then 100 into 67. Okay, students. Now this is already clear to you that while multiplying, if a number ends in 0, then what you have to do? You have to ignore those zeros, ignore these zeros and just multiply the numbers left. 67 ones are 67. Why we have ignored this number? Because it is very obvious that in answer that number of zeros is going to come at the end. So simply I have written this 2 zeros here. Clear now, students? Then after writing this 2 zeros here, 1 left. So 67 ones are 67. See, without doing any detailed calculation, I got my answer as 6700. So like this, students, you are going to rearrange the given numbers and then you are going to add or multiply. Okay, what thing you have to keep in mind, what logic you are going to use here? Just see the numbers, add or multiply the numbers first, which on multiplying which or on adding which you will get the number of zeros at the end, whether it can be 10, 100 or 1000, like that. Clear, students? Now let us see your exercise question. First question. Okay, students, question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Okay, so we will rearrange the digits according to our convenience using the properties and then we are going to find the sum. Look at the first point, 837 plus 208 plus 363. So for rearranging, what I told you, take the unit digits first and add them. 7 plus 8. Surely we are not going to get a number which will end with 0, na? So leave. Okay, if you want to do 7 plus 8 is 15. No, I will not take this. Then 7 plus 3, students. 7 plus 3. How much? 10. A number which is ending with 0 we are getting. So these two numbers I will add first. So here I will write 837 plus 363 plus 208. Okay. Which property we have used here? Mention the property. By commutative property, students. By commutative property. Okay. Then in the next step, I will form group 837 plus 363 plus 208. Here which property we have used? Here we have used associative property. Write the name of the property, students. Okay. Associative property. Now add. How you are going to add? No need to calculate. Orally you can add. Look, take the units digit first, students. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry over, 3 plus 1, 4, here 10's digit is 6. So 4 plus 6, 10 again 1 carry over, students. 100's place 8 is given, 8 plus 1, 9 and here 100's place 3 is given. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So here I am getting 1200 again plus 208. Again no need to calculate, students, means no need to write and calculate. Simply you can add. So again take 1's place, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 2, 4 and here only 1. See, we got our answer. It is 1408. So these three numbers simply we have added and we got the answer as 1408. Clear, students? So here we have rearranged the number like this and we got the answer. Okay, second point also, let's see, students. So 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Logic. Take the ones digit and add. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. 2 plus 8, 10. Here I am getting 10. So what I will do now, I will write 1962 plus 1538, means I will change the order of the number given. And also you can see 3 plus 7, 10. So let us write this together. So here I will write 1962 plus 1538. We have changed the order by commutative, using commutative property. 453 plus 647. Okay, students. Now here we will write by commutative property. Okay. Now form group. First I will add 1962 plus 1538. So here you are going to write by associative property. Okay. I am directly solving, but you have to write. So when I will add this to 8 plus 2, 10 students, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 again 10, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Okay students, again by associativity property, let's add these two numbers first. So 7 plus 3 10, fine, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10 again, then 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11. So okay, now I got 1100. Now let's add them again. 0 0 0 0 in 1's place and 10's place. For both the numbers it was 0, so we have directly written 0. 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4. See students, simply we have added and we got the answer as 4600. So this was your question number 1 from exercise 2.2. Here we have found the sum by suitable rearrangement using the properties of whole numbers. You can note it students, and let's see question number 2. So students, question number 2, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Okay, so here you are going to find the product again by suitable rearrangement. Students, means just don't simply take 3 numbers and multiply and get the answer. If your answer is correct, still you by using, if you are solving the question simply without using any property, you are not going to get full marks. So always remember, whenever it is given suitable rearrangement, means use a property to add or multiply. Okay, let's continue. Again same logic you are going to use students. First see the unit digits of the number given, multiply them, and if the product is having 0 in the end, that numbers you are going to multiply first. Let us see. Here 2 8s are 16. I am not getting 0. I will move to the other number students. 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. You are getting 0, na? So these two numbers I will multiply first. So I will write here 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 1768. Which property we have used here students? If I change the order, that means commutativity property. Again and again I am not writing the properties, but it's your work, write the property. Okay, I am telling you, you have to write the property in your notes. It is commutativity property. Okay, after using commutativity property, I have used associativity property. I have formed the group of this two and I will multiply them. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, and also you know like this, 2 into 50 will give you 100. Okay, into 1768. Again if we multiply a number with 10, 100 or 1000, what we have to do? Ignore zeros, write the zeros before itself in the answer. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So my answer will also has 2 zeros in the end. Now what is left here? 1. So 1 into 1768, again you are going to get 1768. So our answer is 1,76,800. See, such a big number, but how simply we have multiplied the numbers by using the properties of whole numbers. Clear students? Okay, point number B again. 4 multiplied by 166 multiplied by 25. No problem, take the units place. 4 6 are 24. No, I will not multiply these two numbers first. 4 5s are 20. Now students, you are getting a number which is ending with 0. So these two numbers I will multiply first. And also see like this, 4 into 25 or 25 4s are 100. So let us take them together. 4 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 166. Now I will form group. So I have used commutativity as well as associativity property here. 4 into 25 will give me 100. 100 into 166. Now again 2 zeros are there. So in your product also you are going to get that 2 zeros. 1 left, 1 into 166. 166 ones are 166. Again we have solved this. Okay students, point number C. 8 multiplied by 291 multiplied by 125. Same logic, let's multiply the units place. 8 ones are 8. No, I will not take this one. 8 5s are 40. We are getting 0 at the end. So let's write them together. 8 into 125 into 291. Okay students, by using commutativity property. Then by using associativity property, let's multiply this two first. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. 2 carry over. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 9 10. See students, and also you can remember like this, 125 into 8 will give you 1000. Okay, 1000 into 291. Now we can simply write 291,000. Isn't it students? 3 zeros at the ends, in product also 3 zeros. 1 into 291 will give you 291,000. So these are the 3 questions from your question, 3 points from your question number 2. Let us move to the other points. First note this. So students, point number D, again 625 multiplied by 279 multiplied by 16. Take the ones digit. 5 nines are 45. I will not multiply these two numbers first. 5 6 are 30. We are getting 30 with which is ending with 0 at the ending with 0. So again 625 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 279. Okay. Now multiply this two first using commutative and associativity property. 625 into 16, 2-digit number students. So I have to calculate and then only I can get the answer here. So let me multiply here 625 into 16. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15, 6 6 are 36, 37. Okay. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6 are 6. Add 0 0 8 9 10 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so we got 10,000 students. 10,000 multiplied by 279. Simply now, 279 ones are 279. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply write the answer. See, such big multiplication question, but how simply using the properties we got the answer as 27,90,000. Okay. Now point number E, I'll not solve. Point number E will be your homework. You are going to do. I am telling you point number F here, students. Okay. Let us see point number F then. 4 numbers are given to multiply. No problem. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Again 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. So either I can multiply 125 with 40 or with 8, because if we are taking both the unit digits, we are getting the number which is ending with 0. So here, but we know that 125 8s are students. Just now we have solved this. 125 into 8 will give you 1000. So here I am multiplying 125 with 8. Okay. Again, this unit digit when you will multiply, 0 5s are 0. So let us take them together. Let's multiply them together. Okay students. So here 125 8s are 1000. Multiply, then 0 I have already written here. 4 25s are 100. Okay, so 40 into 25 will give you 1000. So 1000 into 1000, 1 into 1, 1. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 3 plus 3, 6 zeros you are going to write, students. As both the numbers which we have to multiply were having zeros at the end, that many zeros we have written in the answer also. And here okay, so here we got 10 lakh as our answer on multiplying these 4 numbers. Okay students, so these were question 1 and 2 from exercise 2.2. I hope both the questions are clear to you, and now your work is to solve question number E of point number E of question number 2. That's all for today students. Thank you.